Today, the Miami-Dade School Board is holding a special discussion for a replacement for outgoing school superintendent Alberto Carvalho, who recently announced he was going to lead the school district in Los Angeles. CBS 4's Deborah Superintendent is live in downtown Miami with more on what was discussed so far this morning. And Deborah, we now know when the superintendent's last day will be.
Yeah, Maribel, we learned that Carvalho's last day will be February 3rd, so the board will definitely have to move fast when it comes to making their decision on how they'll move forward and deciding who will be the next superintendent.
Who's up next? Who's up next?
That is the big question and the reason why Miami-Dade School Board members held a special meeting this morning. The board must hash out a plan on how they will move forward in selecting a new superintendent.
So this is a very consequential decision, and I want to make sure, as many people in the audience have said today, that it is an open and transparent process.
Transparency was the word of the day. Both board members and concerned residents saying they want the public to be included in the decision-making process, particularly students and parents.
The criteria by which you're selecting your superintendent, I mean, it's been around since 1930, so I think this is maybe a perfect time to relook at that and to include community participation, in particular parents.
With outgoing superintendent Alberto Carvalho in attendance, the school board's chair announced his last day will be February 3rd, but Carvalho has agreed to stay until the 14th if needed. The board must decide on how the job search will take place and what qualifications candidates must have. Some want a national search, while others say there simply isn't enough time for that.
We have the capacity within this district, throughout the state, with people who understand the nuances of the Miami-Dade County Public Schools to continue the great work and build upon the foundation that has been set. So I don't necessarily believe that we have to go outside.
With just 4 weeks before Carvalho leaves the district to take on his new role in Los Angeles, board members did agree on one thing. Whoever takes on the position must have experience in the public education system.
We want someone who has experience in the classroom at the most important level.
Now, board members really made a point to highlight that whoever takes on this position must fully understand the needs of the district and our students. The board encourages anyone who believes that they can fill this position to apply. Reporting live in Miami, I'm Deborah Superintendent, CBS 4 News.